The network is a brand new approach to developing filmmaking talent across the UK.
If you aspire to be a feature filmmaker, then the network is designed to give you all of the resources and opportunities you need in order to achieve that goal.
I think what I'm really excited about is actually the network being with these partner organisations coming together with one clear central purpose about discovering that next generation of feature film talent.
There will be several parts to the network. In England, Creative England are going to run 2 talent centres in Sheffield and Brighton, and we will also connect with the work of the national screen agencies, Film Agency Wales, Northern Ireland Screen and Creative Scotland.
And for London, what we will be doing is delivering our training as part of, the kind of physical interaction with the filmmakers.
The network offices are for those who are probably at a more progressed stage in their careers.
There will be experienced executives who will work in those centres who will be able to identify what talent needs in order to progress on their career path.
These are people who have long track record in the industry, who are dedicated to helping new and emerging talent achieve what they want to achieve.
The centres are all about what is most appropriate for you. That's why we've really tried to make this distinction between new and emerging talent.
New talent are really people who have great potential but haven't yet proven themselves.
And then emerging talent, who are filmmakers who have been working for a while, they have examples of work.
They've maybe made a short, or they've written something, or they've had a play on.
But the defining fact for all of them is they are still there to do their first feature, and that's what the centres are there to assist them with.
If you're a filmmaker with very little experience, then the expectation would be that you would engage with the website.
It's a place where you can upload shorts, where you can upload screenplays.
You'd be able to share it with peers, you'd be able to share it, expose it to the community.
It's a place to show off really and to introduce themselves into the industry.
I hope that the website will be a bit like a talent dating site in a way, and that writers, directors, producers will be able to find the writer, director or producer of their dreams and all film happily ever after.
10 years' time, I'd like to think that out of the network we will be seeing first, second, third features from a new generation, that we'll be getting noticed. There'll be a sense of a new wave.
We firmly believe that talent will out, and that we're there to help talented individuals show what they can do.
The new needs friends, and I would say that's what the network is all about. Yes, there's financial support, practical support, but at the end of the day, you have a set of executives, individuals who are there to be your friends and to support you on the best path towards that first feature.